Superplus has the capability to calculate the super elevation value based on either Arahant and AutoCAD standard or the RIM standard. To do this, we activate the Super Elevation tab and let Civil 3D use the design standard that we required. Let's apply the Arahant and AutoCAD design standard for Superplus to calculate the super elevation value. Once we have chosen the appropriate data, Superplus will automatically calculate the left-hand side as well as the right-hand side super elevation rate. You can also change this value if you need to do so. You can also change the detailing of your super elevation based on the chainage that you have specified. You can add more transition station if you required. Take a look at the super elevation bending inside the profile. It is currently empty. Once you apply this calculation into the model, Superplus will draw the super elevation bending automatically inside this row. Again, no AutoCAD command is needed. You can also show the wedges on the alignment control plane layout. You can also remove this wedges information if you need to do so.